You who dwell in the Lord's shelter, under the shadow of God Almighty, say you are my strength and refuge. You're my God in whom I trust. He will save you from all evil, from all sickness and all dangers. Under his wings you'll find protection. You'll be covered by his feathers. I will save him, for he loves me. I'll protect him, 'cause he knows me. I will answer when he calls me. I save him and give him glory. A thousand may fall there by your side, 10,000 more right beside you. For the Lord will be your refuge. God will be a shelter for you, and no evil will come upon you. All his angels will protect you. If you stumble, they will catch you, but no danger will come near you. I will save him, for he loves me. I'll protect him, 'cause he knows me. I will answer when he calls me. I save him and give him glory. Fear not the dread by night, nor flying arrows in the light. I will save him, for he loves me. I'll protect him, 'cause he knows me. He knows me. I will answer when he calls me. I save him and give him glory. I will save him, for he loves me. I'll protect him, 'cause he knows me. I will answer when he calls me. I save him and give him glory.